He has expressed a great deal of shock over what he says was the incredibly surprise reinstatement of these charges. We know that the incident which led to the charges happened in 2011, and the National Prosecuting Authority decided at that stage to provisionally withdraw the charges. They were then reinstated late yesterday afternoon by the Director of Public Prosecutions in a decision which wasn't even formally conveyed to the prosecution team in the Oscar Pistorius case. He said he was completely shocked, that he hadn't expected it. He's also denied several aspects to the allegations against him. He says that he was not drunk at the time of the shooting, that it was in fact conducted at a time when he was investigating the murder of a woman in Pretoria whose body had been stuffed down a sewage drain, that at the time of the shooting the minibus taxi in question was attempting to force him and his colleague off the road, that they fired at that taxi, and that the passengers in that taxi then laid these attempted murder charges against him. At this stage it doesn't appear that anyone was injured, but he says he can only suspect that the timing of the reinstatement of the charges, literally hours after he completed his evidence and cross-examination in this case, is integrally linked to his work in the Oscar Pistorius case. At this stage, the South African police also confirming that they're going to launch their own internal probe into these charges, which may well result in his suspension from this case, meaning that the lead investigator in the Oscar Pistorius murder investigation may no longer be conducting his work on this particular case.